the government knew that there will be such blasts? I just want whether government had an intelligent inputs that blast will occur.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, why this blast occurred then?
Sir, I have already mentioned that we have alerted and the police intelligence of the police department have working over time to see that to prevent this blast. But as I said before, that we don't expect that this blast will occur in that particular area. We have marked many vulnerable area in the Shillong area, and we have taken measures. But as I said, that we didn't expect that this will happen in that particular place.